A small body waist fan. Blows up nice cool air, so you don't have a fan that is on the wall or over an area that has electric. This is a battery rechargeable operated fan with a number of speeds that should keep you cool no matter where you're walking. So say you're walking in an extreme hot area and you want to get some cool air blowing on you. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside. We get the fan unit. It has a number of clips. The fan, black. Charging port, power supply, on and off button. A cleaning brush. An instruction guide to go over. A strap and a 3-foot charging cable, USB-A to C. Your first time you're going to find the USB-C because you get a USB-A, a micro, and a C cable, and you're going to plug in and charge the unit. There is a red indicator where my thumb is at. As we charge the unit, we go over the instructions. The Model G50 schematics, what's in the box, precautions, and after sales instructions on how to use. The charging takes 3 to 5 hours depending on the depletion and the power used. We have 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. High speed is 5200 RPMs and the low speed is 3800 while the medium is 4400. If we pull down, we're able to see the fan. We're able to take our brush and clean the blade. It is a bladeless type fan, as you can see. If the vents here are dirty as well, you clean the vents. And then you simply slide back on, snap into place. On the opposite side is your belt clip. You have a little clip over here that lifts up and locks into place. This little thing allows it to be like a kickstand. It is very simple to put the fan on. There's a clip that you simply find your belt, snap it on, press the button on the side, and that is blowing right here. If I wanted to the side, I'd blow it over here, but then my arms may get in the way if I walk. So I want to have it more towards the front where my arms don't block. We'll listen to the fan. This is on low. Medium. As you can see, there's a light on the side. High. Now, if I'm hanging out outside and it is hot out there and there's smoke around, this will clear up that area for me because the breeze is blowing up towards my face. I don't want to have anything blocking my obstruction of the fan and me. So I could sit there, not worry about somebody blowing smoke in my way. I have a neck strap. I want to put it on. I just slide it over the clip area. And I could go for a walk and be nice and cool. Ah man, that blows right on my face, keeps me nice and cool. Doesn't have to be on my waist, it could be on my neck or anywhere. So ours are end of use. You can use it again as a power bank. As you can see, it's charging a camera, it could do a smartphone, anything that you have power to. And you simply recharge the unit overnight. You put this on your belt in the front, side, back. It's got a little vibration to it, which is not that bad at all. And the fan is on as we speak, as you can see it blowing. Now, this is a nice fan. It's black. It's a clip on the front so you could push it up. It's got a clip on the back for a large belt, small belt, whatever you decide to use it for. You could, again, rest it on the desk like so and have it blow against you and enjoy it all summer long wherever you need to have air circulating. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for in a portable fan. Thank you for viewing.